Hi, time for another pool update. There's been significant progress. You can see that we've got the tiles not only around the edge, you saw those last time, but up on the side here, up on the top, they're still drying. And we've got the tiled edges as well. So these will look probably significantly different once the water's in there. But yeah, they're on there. Put them around the what is it? That's the filter drain thing, whatever it's called. Yeah, so they're all going around the edge. And you've seen the wall. We've got waterproofing on the wall. That's done. Electrical cables have been pulled. We've got two separate circuits, one for the heater, one for the general purpose power point, because we're going to have the heat pump here. We're going to have the water pump as well, and then there's the light, the transformer for the lights and everything. That'll get done last. We still have to core drill some holes in the wall there for the various plumbing and stuff. I still haven't decided exactly where the wiring and conduit and plumbing's going to come up here, but they'll be sitting on a concrete pad with a soundproof housing kind of thing, or at least the water pump will be under a soundproof housing, but the heat pump won't, because it's pretty silent. So yeah, it's all happening. It's still got some we've got a side strip I've got to install on there as well, and this stupid cover thing that was going to I thought, oh, bugger it, I'll just get someone to install it. So we got the manufacturer to get their installer to quote on it, and it was pretty pricey. So I think I'll have a go at doing it myself. That was the original plan, but yeah, anyway, pools are expensive. Everything's optional extra. When you get a quote for a pool, doesn't include landscaping, doesn't include the heat pump, it does include a pool pump. It does include the lights, but you basically get a concrete shell. It includes the lining, of course. That's the very last thing we'll do is the beadcrete. I think it's actually probably in a day or two, once the tiles are dry on top, it's actually ready for the fencing. And then as soon as the fencing is up and it's earthed, technically we can then put the beadcrete on this. Beadcrete's like an Australian thing. It's like a coating for inside the pool. And once that's done, you can fill it the next day, apparently. So it's ready to go, because the certifier, all they check is that the fence, all they care about is the fence, so that no one can get in. It's all part of the standard and whatnot, and that the fence is earthed. And I am getting a switchboard upgrade, by the way, because I need an extra 2 circuits for this, and then we're going to need some more circuits soon as well. So yeah, I'm going for this complete switchboard upgrade, but I'm trying to find someone who will do it on camera. That's the problem. So if you know of any electricians who do switchboard upgrades in Sydney who will happily do it on camera in front of everyone, please let me know. But yeah, so there you go. So yeah, the waterproofing on the wall here, that's to stop water getting into there. Yeah, that's right. It's to stop water seeping through the brick and then get into the rendering on the other side, because then the rendering will bubble and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why you waterproof that. But yeah, it's happening. There's some kind of like a shimmer on the tile. I don't know. It looks kind of not sure what colour you'd call that, but you can see the shimmer on the tile, but that'll look very different once the water is in. Oh no, can't see it anymore. Depends on how the light actually reflects off it. But yeah, anyway, it's coming along. Catch you next time.